Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse ARM Deployment. This tutorial will walk you through the process of deploying Azure Synapse using Azure Resource Manager templates. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. ARM templates are used to define the infrastructure and configuration of your Azure resources. To get started, you will need to create a new ARM template. This can be done using Visual Studio Code or Azure Portal. The template will define the resources you want to deploy, including Azure Synapse Workspace, storage accounts, and other dependent resources. Next, you will need to define the parameters for your template. This includes the name and location of your resources, as well as any other configuration settings. Once you have defined your template and parameters, you can deploy your resources to Azure. This can be done using the Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell. After deployment, you can verify that your resources have been created successfully by checking the Azure portal. You can also use the Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell to validate the deployment. Best practices for Azure Synapse ARM deployment include using modular templates, testing your templates before deployment, and using version control to track changes to your templates. In terms of key concepts, it's essential to understand how to define resources, parameters, and variables in your ARM template. You should also be familiar with the different deployment modes, including complete and incremental deployment. To illustrate this, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you want to deploy an Azure Synapse Workspace with a storage account and a SQL pool. Your ARM template would define these resources and their configuration settings, such as the name and location of the workspace, the type of storage account, and the performance level of the SQL pool. In conclusion, deploying Azure Synapse using ARM templates is a powerful way to manage your analytics resources in the cloud. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using best practices, you can create a scalable and secure analytics platform that meets your business needs.